Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today for our Project Raise Career Center virtual workshop. My name is Ashley Akras and I'm a peer advisor here at Project Raise. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic occurred before we could offer this workshop to you in person. This workshop does count towards your RTP workshop requirement, so don't forget to log this activity in after you are done watching. To start off, the Career Center is located in LH 208, which is a Langsdorff Hall Business Administration building. Their hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Their phone number is 657-278-3121, and their website is www.fullerton.edu/career/. In case you still don't know where this is, some surrounding buildings are Mahalo Hall, Gordon Hall, and McCarthy Hall, which should be very familiar. On the right-hand side is a picture of the front of the building. Some of the services that the Career Center offers are listed here. The ones I put a star beside mean that these are the services that your specific college's career specialist can help you with. They can assist you with career and major exploration to see what path you would like to take with your major and what you can do with what you're studying. Career specialists can review your resume and cover letter, give suggestions and recommendations on how to improve your materials for a specific employer or just in general. Other than that, Career Center staff can help with employer-related services like interviewing, LinkedIn profile creations, and salary negotiations. If you don't want to take the job route right away after graduation and you are thinking of graduate/professional school, they can look over statements of purpose as well. The Career Center also offers different webinars, workshops, and information sessions on a variety of topics that include the ones on here and more. In addition, one thing I did want to emphasize is the italicized bullet Titan Connection, because this is a great tool for students to use and has many helpful resources. We will look at Titan Connection more in depth as the workshop continues. Career Center services are virtual right now and may look a little different than their usual offerings. Now, one question I get asked a lot from my students is, who is my career specialist? CSUF has one career specialist assigned to each of the colleges at the university, and they are part of the student success teams for each college. For the College of Natural Sciences and Mathematics, it is Shonda, and for the College of Engineering and Computer Science, it is currently Paula. There is a search for the new ECS career specialist. You can also find this information on Project Raise's website by going to CSUF Students, Raise Transfer Program, NSM, and ECS Student Success Teams. Another common question is, how can I make an appointment? Well, there are two different ways. You can go to the Career Center website, fullerton.edu/career, and then click on Schedule an Appointment. The link on our RTP website will also take you to the Career Center to do the same thing. Or you can go to your CSUF portal, look up Career Center in the tab, and click on that link. Both will take you directly to Titan Connection, where you will be able to set up an appointment. So now I am going to show you how to make an appointment using the two ways I mentioned, as well as give you a quick Titan Connection overview. As I mentioned, the first way was going directly to the Career Center website. Once you're on the Career Center website, you will go over here to the tab that says Schedule Appointment. Click on that link, scroll down, and then Schedule Appointment right here. Before I show you the second way of how to book an appointment with your career specialist, I wanted to show you how to find your NSM and ECS student success teams. If you go onto our website, which is fullerton.edu/projectraise, click on CSUF Students, then go to the Raise Transfer Program. On the left-hand side, you'll see the NSM and ECS student success teams at the bottom. Once you click on that, it'll give you the two different colleges, the Student Success Center location, hours, and phone number, graduation specialist, and career specialist. As you can see, there is a link to schedule an appointment with your career specialist. If you click on that, it'll just take you back to the Career Center, which is the first way that I showed you of how to book an appointment. Now, the second way that I mentioned is going directly to your CSUF portal and doing it. As you can see, I am already logged in here. Where it says Search Apps, People, Classes, and Web, go ahead and click on that and type in Career Center. It should pop up right here. Go ahead and click on that. And it should take you directly to Titan Connection. So this is what Titan Connection looks like. And first I'm going to show you how to do an appointment with your career specialist. So on the left-hand side, where it says Counseling Appointment, you're going to click on that. You're going to request a new appointment. The type of appointment is up to you. There's a lot of different ones that you can choose from, like resume cover letter, graduate school, interview preparation, job search/internship, basically whatever you want to benefit from at the time. You can click on date range. I'm just going to do an example of the 27th of April until May 8th, which is the last day of classes before finals. Time range that works best for you, and your counselor should show up here to choose from. So mine is Elizabeth Bobadilla. She's my college career specialist from the Health and Human Development. Okay, so that's how you do an appointment with a career specialist. I also told you that I was going to explore a little bit on Titan Connection. So there's a lot of great tools on here. You can customize your profile, put in your education, experience, projects that you've done, skills. You can even add a personal statement. I think the jobs tab is the most helpful because you can view recommended jobs, my job applications, search jobs and internships. So this one's really helpful. If you are looking for something, you can type in keywords according to your major, the location, and it gives you different options to choose from. It also gives you a description once you click on them. You can also see which jobs you have applied to already. You can look at the documents that you've uploaded, your resume builder, different events that are coming up like career fairs, interviews as well. So yeah, it's a really good tool to use. I would definitely suggest exploring it on your own time and seeing what best benefits you from here. Alright, so something that not many people know, but that they should know, is that for 1 year after graduation, alumni have free access to all Career Center services. This is very important to remember in case you find yourself needing some help after you graduate. Before we finish, I wanted to share a quick career planning activity that may help you think about your future. One common question that is asked from employers is, where do you see yourself in 5, 10, 20 years? Well, one thing you can do is practice planning your career in reverse. What this means is basically imagine your most successful self-actualized future self in 20 years and write down what that looks like. Once there, imagine what you would have done to achieve 10 years prior and write that down. Then go back 5 years, then 2.5 years until you get to 1 year from today. This is just another approach for thinking about what steps you need to take to get where you want to be. Alright, Titans, that concludes our presentation for today. Thank you all for attending. Don't forget to log in this activity. If you have any questions or concerns, remember you can always reach out to your PA, career specialist, or visit the Career Center website at fullerton.edu/career. Have a great rest of your day.